Mae'r cwrs ma'n rili bwysig i'r diwydiant bwyd y diod, achos mae'n rhoi pobl iddyn nhw sydd gyda sgiliau iawn i fod yn gallu gweithio yn bob ardal o'r cwmnïau sydd da nhw. Ond yn bwyd y diod, ni wedi gweithio gyda'r cwmnïau sydd yn agos i ni i creu'r cwrs a wneud siŵr bod yr unedau gyd yn iawn. A wedyn ni'n gweithio yn agos gyda nhw i wedyn ni'n ffeindio'r pobl iawn i gweithio iddyn nhw a dod i wneud y cwrs. Pobl mewn am y cwrsi ma sy'n mynd i fod yn managers yn y dyfodol a mae'n rili wedi dod â talent newydd mewn i'r busnesu. Mae'r diwydiant bwyd y diod, maen nhw o hyd yn edrych ar ffyrdd newydd, neu pethau'n well a neu pethau mwy efficient. A mae gael myfyrwyr sydd wedi bod trwy'r cwrs ma yn hybu a gellu nhw i wneud na'n gleiach a gyda mwy o hyder.
I've definitely managed to take something away from college, being able to work safely within the food industry. In years 2 and 3 of college, we're meant to be studying more of the mechanical and electrical side rather than all the legislations. So that would be a good opportunity to be able to work better within the industry. The thing I've enjoyed the most about the course so far is being able to work with all the other engineers, understand their knowledge and how they work safely.
So I wanted to progress a lot in the engineering and manufacturing side of the industry, and with the companies that are situated around Haverfordwest and Pembrokeshire, a lot involved in food and drink industry. The opportunities lined up really well. I would say definitely go for it. If you're already thinking about it, put yourself through to it, because it's not something you're going to regret. As when you are doing it, it will open up a lot of other opportunities, and more than some that you might not realise.
The apprentices have contributed massively in such a short space of time. Working alongside the college, key things for our business is food safety and health and safety. Coupled with their learning at Pembrokeshire College, they've managed to implement that on site. I would strongly advise other employers to take on apprentices for a number of reasons really. The buy-in from the apprentices with the goals of the business, being able to develop your own talent is always really important. So the line between the engineering function and the business. The main sort of advantage I always feel is that you start from day one and you grow with the company's values and aspirations. Seeing individuals develop with yourselves as a team, as the business grows, is just really inspirational for everyone really.
Mae cymaint o foundation wedyn o ran y gwybodaeth mae'r unigolyn yn dod nôl mewn i'r cwmni o'r coleg, a mae cael y balans na o weithio yn y coleg a yn yr cwmni yn partneri lan yn brofiad gwych i'r unigolyn a'r cwmni.
It covers all the gaps with the training that we don't have the resources to do on site ourselves. It's great that Pembrokeshire College are providing all of the resources, the knowledge, education, training, everything for the people that we have from them. And it just really benefits us as a company.
It's amazing to see the benefits that are coming out with the students that are doing 1 day in the college and then 4 days in the workplace. You know, they are really sort of industry ready. They're growing so much in confidence and understanding sort of what the employer is wanting as well. It really is great to see all the benefits that are coming out of their experience here. And the idea of an apprenticeship within the food and drink industry is absolutely paramount. You know, there is a skills shortage, and this is very much delivering in terms of the objective in reducing that shortage. It's also really improving employability for the students. You know, they're growing as they progress, they're becoming incredibly employable as well. You know, and also as an employer, you're thinking about retention of staff, you're thinking about succession, and you're thinking about making sure that you can sort of retain them and grow them as well. So it's about growing that talent and nurturing that as well. So it's a huge benefit for the employer and a massive benefit for the student as well as the broader industry.